Yeah, I'm like, oh God, oh my God.
To this video, make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to get notified exactly when I upload, and comment down below. And now let's
what's
get into
going
the
on, guys?
video.
Welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. And today I'm just going to be doing a quick channel trailer for those who are new here. My name is Scott. I'm the owner of Life Made Easy. And here on the channel, I post two different kinds of content. I do both tech tutorials and product reviews. A little bit about me. I've been into tech my whole life, and I've always been fascinated by technology and how it could help improve your life, and that's exactly what this channel is found on, the principles behind it. I'm trying to help you guys solve the technical problems regarding consoles, PCs, all kinds of tech, trying to give you the solutions to common problems that I've experienced, and use the solutions I've found to help you guys. And in addition, I also do tech reviews of several products here, as you can see on the desk. I do Xbox stuff, I do PC stuff, speakers, headphones, you name it. I try to find products that I think are very beneficial to the average consumer and can help benefit your life and make it just a little better with the technology that I review. So yeah, that's what this channel is mostly about. I do this just because I want to help you guys with buying choices and also make your life a little less stressful and solve some of these irritating problems that you may come upon with technology, as technology can be very complicated and annoying sometimes. So with all that said, I hope you guys enjoy this channel, and this is a quick update, and make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, and I'll see you guys in future videos. Peace.
Subscribe to Life Made Easy for more awesome content.
Torn for the watch, Prezi plain Jane, Yamagini chain, rest in peace to my superior. Hermes link a feed a village in Liberia. TMZ taking pictures causing my hysteria.